Hi guys, how are you? Today I am going to discuss one important name reaction called Witting rearrangement. Witting rearrangement are mainly of two types, that is 1-2 rearrangement and another is 2-3 rearrangement. So in this video we will discuss both 1-2 and 2-3 Witting rearrangement as well as the general reaction mechanism and some example, and after that we will discuss the question which came in CSIR-UGC-NET exam from this reaction. So in 1-2 reaction, the general reaction is, let's say, to this ether, if it is treated with a strong base like alkyl lithium, then what will happen? And after that, work up with acid, dilute acid, then the product will get an alcohol. So this is the general reaction of 1-2 rearrangement. So how this rearrangement occurs? So what happened here? First, the strong base will abstract this proton and the corresponding conjugate base will be formed, and after that this bond will cleave homolytically to form radical. So here we get one ketyl plus one radical. Now in this ketyl rearrangement will occur and it will rearrange in this way, plus R2. Now these two combines to form alkoxide. Now after work up with acid we'll get the alcohol. So this is how the rearrangement occurs via radical. Now we'll come to another reaction, that is the let's say one example we have here. One compound if this compound is treated with N-butyl lithium and then after work up with H3O plus, we'll get first here abstraction of this proton will take place, and after that this will attack into this carbon, and after rearrangement here the OH will be connected with this carbon and these two carbon will be attacked. The product will be so here this is this carbon, so 1 2 3 1 2 3, here will be an alkyl group as well as here will be one alkyl group. This will be the product. This is an 1-2 Witting rearrangement. So how this is happening actually? Here the negative charge will be formed, here the negative charge will be formed, and we can say that this will attack here and this bond will cleave. So there is a bond with this carbon and here will be the OH group. This is the 1 2 3 4, this is 1 2 3 4. So this is how 1-2 Witting rearrangement is taking place. Now we will come to 2,3 Witting rearrangement. In 2,3 rearrangement, the general reaction is like this. This is an allyl benzyl ether. Let's say this is phenyl and this is hydrogen. So this is an allyl benzyl ether. If it is treated with a strong base, then here the proton will be abstracted and the corresponding conjugate base will be formed. Now this will attack here and a 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement will take place. 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. So the product will be this is O minus, and here R2 will be R1 will be go below and R2 will be will come above the plane. This reaction occur actually a 5-member cyclic transition state, and here as you can see that this bond is cleaving here. So this is 1 2 1 2 3. This bond is cleaving and this bond is forming. So this is a 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement, and this reaction is known as 2,3 Witting rearrangement. Let's say if this compound is treated with potassium tertiary butoxide and tertiary butyl alcohol at 0 degree centigrade, then what will happen? Here it will abstract a proton from this carbon, so the corresponding conjugate base will be formed. And here it will attack into this double bond. It will shift, the pi bond will shift here and this bond will cleave. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, a 6-member ring will be formed. A 6-member ring will be formed. In one there is a COCH3 group from above the plane. So from above the plane COCH3, and it will be converted to OH. So OH is below the plane, and at the carbon 4 there is a methyl from below the plane, but the pi bond is shifting here. So this will be the product. Now one question which came in June 2016 net exam, 2018 net exam. So the question was this: if it is treated with N-butyl lithium and then NH4Cl, so what will happen? Here a 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement will take place. First the N-butyl lithium will take this proton and then it will attack into this carbon. So the product will be, if this is bonded, this carbon will be bonded to this carbon. So here this is a 3 carbon system. So 1 2 3, and in this carbon there is a 2 methyl group, and in this carbon there will be 1 OH group. Again I am checking total carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here will be 1 OH. So this will be the product. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding Witting rearrangement, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting videos subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a good day.